क्या हाल है? ये वीडियो एक रीटेक है क्योंकि कुछ बढ़िया बातें थी जो आई फॉरगॉट टू से इन द अदर वीडियो. एनीवे, क्या हाल है? व्हाट इज अप? एज यू कैन सी द न्यू बैकग्राउंड, द स्टूडियो लुक्स रिफ्रेशिंग एज फक. यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं सांस ले सकता हूँ, इंस्पायर हो सकता हूँ, and a bunch of other things. Couldn't have happened if I didn't put up this art. And I figured I'd talk to you about art, right? So I've been one of those kids जिसने देखा कि वेस्टर्न मूवीज़ के अंदर HBO स्टार मूवीज़ पे जो बच्चे होते हैं टीनेज 13-14 साल के, उनके रूम में रॉक एंड रोल के पोस्टर लगे होते हैं, गाड़ियों के, बंदियों के पोस्टर लगे होते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई वाज लाइक मेरी भी उम्र आ गई, मुझे करना चाहिए. तो आई वेंट टू Amazon फॉर अ बंच ऑफ पोस्टर्स, बॉट पोस्टर्स फ्रॉम द स्ट्रीट साइड, रोड साइड, ऐसे करके, एंड स्टार्टेड पुटिंग अप स्टफ. दिस वाज व्हेन आई वाज 13 और 14. तो उस टाइम पे हुआ क्या कि दीज पोस्टर्स रिप्रेजेंटेड द मोस्ट जेनेरिक पोस्टर्स यू कुड फाइंड, राइट? बुद्धा का पोस्टर है, वॉल्टर वाइट का पोस्टर है, फ्रेंड्स का पोस्टर, नेवर फ्रेंड्स, फक फ्रेंड्स इन द एस. ठीक है, द रोड टू कस्टमाइजिंग अ रूम एंड हैविंग योर ओन आर्ट इज पेव्ड विद डिफिकल्टीज. एंड द रीजन आई से दैट इज बिकॉज पहले तो तुम चूतिया आर्ट खरीदोगे, दैट्स बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव एनी टेस्ट. I was doing this all my life until I heard Jordan Peterson podcast where he was saying, invite beauty into your life. And I was like, and he says, when you first invite beauty into your life, it's going to reflect how ugly your sense of beauty is. And it's going to make you realize how incompetent you are at even acquiring beauty and knowing what is beautiful. So initially everyone starts with the most generic, boring stuff, right? And then you start taking risks. You're like, fuck it. I don't want to have 46 posters of the same rock and roll stars. I want to have something that's a bit more me, right? So you invite like a Hindi poster like Gangs of Wasseypur. But then even then, 8 years later, it's become a trope that almost anyone knows. No longer the indie cred I could once have, right? Bad. So what do? You move to a different country, you move to college, kahin aur, right? And you start again. You're like, इस time मैं इस शहर के बारे में डालूंगा. So poster about Delhi maybe, right? Poster about like an indie musician, something like that. And you start growing and start understanding. At the same time, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? When you put up art, you are inviting the mind of its maker into your room, and you are opening yourself up to the possibility of transformation by that art, right? The other thing is, when you put up art, even though you have not made it, just the simple fact that it comes from your own personal choice implies कि जैसे कुत्ते अपनी टेरिटरी मार्क करते हैं, ऐसे ही तुमने दीवार पे आर्ट का पेशाब करके अपनी टेरिटरी मार्क कर दी. Fuck the analogy, it's spot on. My point is कि if you live, like जब कभी कोई builder या कोई when you see salient features or blueprints of buildings, you see, oh my god, finished flat, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, right? Or you see things that have not been personalized, broken into, what's the word? They say that, you have to de-IKEAfy your life because IKEA furniture is considered to be the generic furniture for everyone. So when you see those things, they look beautiful, but from a very artificial standpoint. ऐसे ही अगर तुम्हारा घर तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने बनाया, which is most likely बनाया होगा, या तुम एक ऐसी जगह पे रहते हो जहाँ पे किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन ने वो जगह बनाई है, if you don't personalize it, right, you still remain in a place owned and operated by someone else where you're only the resident. To impose your own will and your own ideas into the living space that you have, you need to populate it with things that make you inspired, beautiful, and feel good. And so art is one medium to that. तो इन इमेजेस तक भी अराइव करना एक पूरा ही अपना अलग चैलेंज रहा है, राइट? सो यू स्टार्ट विद बेसिक जेनेरिक रॉक एंड रोल ट्रोप्स, एटलीस्ट इन माय केस. देन यू मूव टू लाइक कि यार अब मैं ना मॉडर्न आर्ट करूँगा. अब एक काम करता हूँ, नेचर और ना ऐसी वाली पेंटिंग्स, बुद्धा, लेट मी राइट कोट्स ऑन माई वॉल लाइक दिस जेनेरिक, लिव अ गुड लाइफ, blah 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 blah. But then you move forward because you're like, this is not enough, this is not me. You also go to other places, people's places, watch a lot of movies, read a lot of books, right? And in general try to interact with art, not in a pretentious way, right? Because no one is asking you कि तुम art collector बन जाओ. I'm just saying कि if you don't put a piece of your psyche onto a wall, I don't know, your life is very null and void and it's hard to get inspired, man. I don't know. And so you do all of that. अब हम यहाँ पे आ गए. People were asking me for a studio tour. I figured I'd give you like an art tour. Now, preface बता रहा हूँ, not all of these art pieces are selected consciously. Some of them were selected on a whim कि यार ये बढ़िया लगेगा, लगा देते हैं intuitively. कई चीज़ों का मेरे पास कोई logical answer नहीं है. Something inside me responded to what the art was and I printed it. Didn't even buy it. जब 10,000 रुपये का एक आर्ट पीस लगा पाऊंगा ज़िंदगी में, तब लगा लूँगा. अभी के लिए आई थिंक देयर सो मच आर्ट अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन ऑन गूगल इमेजेस. HD सेलेक्ट करो, टाइप इन वट एवर आर्ट यू वॉन्ट टू टाइप इन, जो तुम्हारी सर्च टर्म है. write down HD after that, and make sure वो 600 into 600 से ऊपर है, and you are set. You can just print it on an A3 sheet. All of these are for 60 rupees each. It's not bad, right? And this keeps changing as well. Because right now what I'm noticing, for example, is I got too much of a masculinity trope going on in this room and not enough of like a balance. Not that matters, it could be subjective, right? But over those two images over there, ये जो नीचे वाली है, this horrible thing, right? That's the spirit of masculinity or the monster of masculinity that comes out from this guy in this film called Man Oh Man. It's on Vimeo, you can check it out. And it's a crazy movie. So I love that movie, तो मैंने ये लगा दिया. ऊपर वाला is like a decent-ish art piece. मैं actually उसे हटा दूंगा. I'm not liking it too much. Of this German fairy tale called Iron Hans, जहाँ पे एक छोटा prince, again masculinity की spirit को या उसकी like the greater spirit of being a man, he frees it up and it's a monster and it takes him away, teaches him lessons, all of that, makes him into a man, initiation, blah blah blah. So yeah, on the other hand, is something I love a lot. It's this man hugging his inner anima or his inner woman, something along those lines. Not really sure. Again, intuitively respond kar Wasipur classic. This one, Jackie Shroff ad, I bought it. I printed it because I was like, it looks cool. But now that I think about it, I'm not too sold on it, right? Especially now that because it has subtle branding for cigarettes. I don't want to crave a cigarette when I'm in this room. Now that I smoke cigarettes. Rupa, if you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Rupa is a babe. She's responsible for helping me get through last month and the month before. Pink Panther, the first metrosexual cartoon that I really enjoyed. This actually, so अब ये देखते हैं, जैसे ये क्या है? This is a face being removed by a hand, right? I could have never discovered this art had I not watched a movie called Fantastic Planet on Mubi. Mubi एक film curation service है. तो उस पे Fantastic Planet के collaborator के अंदर रोलन टोपर का नाम था. मैंने ऐसे सर्च कर लिया, रोलन टोपर कौन है? उसका बर्थडे मेरा बर्थडे सेम निकला January 7 में. मैंने कहा वाह, coincidence. मैंने उसका आर्ट पीस देखा. This and this are both by him. I couldn't have discovered it had I not, been on Mubi. I really love the old Air India ads. Some of them are a bit cheesy, but I really like this. An Indian playing this harp with a bunch of Romans. Iron Hans. Salam Bombay ka still. Badhiya hai. This is, a man having some kind of release. So a lot of this art is very emotionally chaotic now that I think about it. And I might change it up. I have more stuff. But the point is, this is where I am. If you probably met me at the age of 13, you wouldn't, I'd just be one of those generic kids. Look, my point is, I wouldn't have arrived at any of this had I not consciously taken the decision कि यार मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी से या अपनी at least personal space से कुछ और चाहता हूँ. I want it to be more than just walls and curtains and chairs and cushions and all of that. I want it to be mine. As stupid as I am, without an interior designer degree, without having a degree in the arts, जो मुझे आता है मैं वो करूँगा. And this is where it's led me. And so, this is not a strategies, tips, tricks video. It's a simple call to action about putting art in your room. It's fucking 60 रुपए का एक print करा है मैंने ये खुद HD picture. There's really no excuse. You start there and you see how it transforms your life. Every creative person that I know has some kind of art in their life, and it makes all the difference. Even uncreative people become more creative by inviting art into their life. ठीक है? So, I hope this video helps you. It's a bit more personal, it's a bit more flavorful, but I figured, let's talk about the things that I really, really, really enjoy, as opposed to specifically talking about writing, जो हम करेंगे, पर ये भी. ठीक है? बढ़िया लगा वीडियो, अपने दोस्तों को भेजो, उन्हें बताओ, भाइयों, बहनों, प्लीज़ थोड़ा हार्ट लगाओ और लाइक से सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. ठीक है? See you in the next video.